Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video we are going to see how to knit this beautiful and very amazing, very interesting, very charming, good looking knitting stitch pattern. See what a beautiful looks of this pattern. It looks so nice and so gorgeous. This is our front side view of the pattern and this is our wrong side view of the pattern. It looks so beautiful, so amazing. So this pattern you can use in for ladies sweater, ladies cardigan, for gents sweater and baby sweater, baby's blanket, for jumper, for shawl. So this is very beautiful and very easy knitting stitch pattern. So in order to make this pattern, you will need to cast on multiples of 4, multiples of 4, 4, 4, and this is only 8 rows repeat pattern. So let's see how to knit this beautiful pattern. So friends, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please like and subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon so that you will get notification on of my new videos. So let's knit together. So friends, I cast on 18 stitches on my knitting needles and you cast on as many stitches as you want. So let's knit. So let's knit together. So this is our first row of the pattern. So we slip each stitch and we knit one, and after that we knit this second stitch first, we knit this second stitch first through backward, and then we knit first stitch, and then we knit 2. That's the repeat. Again we knit this second stitch first, and then first stitch, we knit first stitch, and we knit 2. Now again we knit this second stitch first, and then we knit first stitch, and we knit 2. Now we knit for last once again, we knit 2, we knit second stitch first and then first stitch, and we knit 1, and we knit edge stitch. So this is our row 1. I have completed row 1. Now we knit row 2. We row 2 we purl all stitches. So friends, row 2 is complete. Now we will knit row 3, and for row 3 we slip edge stitch and we knit 2 together. This 2 stitches we knit together, and then we make yarn over 3 times. 1, 2 and 3. We make yarn over 3 times and we knit these 2 stitches through back loop. Now again we knit 2 together, 2 together. We make yarn over 3 times. 1, 2, 3 and we make SSK. Again knit 2 together, make yarn over 3 times and SSK. We knit 2 stitches together through back loop. Again knit 2 together, make yarn over 3 times and SSK. Knit 1. So row 3 is complete. Now we knit row 4 and row 4 we slip edge stitch, purl 1 and then we purl this yarn over loop, we purl and then we knit once more time this yarn over loop, we knit straight and purl 1. That's the repeat. Now again purl 1 and then purl yarn over stitch, we drop and we knit this once yarn over loop again and drop and then purl stitch. So this is our second repeat. Now we repeat it again, purl 1, purl yarn over stitch and drop and again knit yarn over stitch and drop and then purl stitch. Now we knit last one, purl 1, purl yarn over stitch, knit 1 and purl 1 and we purl edge stitch. So this way our row 4 is complete. And now we will knit row 5 and for row 5 we slip edge stitch and we knit 3. We knit this yarn over stitch, yarn over loop we knit 3 and we twist these 2 stitches. We twist this second stitch to right way and knit 2. Knit 2. Now again we knit 2 that's the repeat. Now we repeat it again. We twist this second stitch to right way and knit 2 and then we knit 2. Now again we twist and we knit 2. We knit this 2 stitch and we knit 1 and knit edge stitch. So row 5 is complete. Now we will knit row 6 and row 6 we for all stitches. So we slip edge stitch and we pull all stitches. So friends, row 6 is complete. Now we will knit row 7 and for row 7 we slip edge stitch and we knit 2 and then we knit 2 together. Here we knit 2 together and we make yarn over. Now we are going to alternate the pattern. So we make yarn over 3 times and then we will make SSK. That's the repeat. Now we knit again, knit 2 together, knit 2 together, we make yarn over 3 times and we make SSK. We make SSK. Now again we pull 2 together, we knit 2 together, we make yarn over 3 times and SSK. We knit 2 stitches together through back loop. Now again for last we knit 2 and we knit edge stitch. So row 7 is complete and now we knit row 8 and this is our last row. So slip 1 and purl 3 purl 3, and then we purl this yarn over loops and drop 2 times. Now again we knit this yarn over loop and we have to make 2 stitches from this yarn over loops, and now purl 1, again purl 1, purl yarn over loops, drop 2 times and knit yarn over loops, and again drop and then purl 1. Now last one, we repeat last, purl 1, purl yarn over loops and knit yarn over loops, purl 1 and then knit 3, purl 3. So our row 8 is complete, and so friends, you can see this is how beautiful looks like, and I have only one repeat here, and you repeat this 1 to 8 rows, and you repeat this repeat pattern 1 to 8 rows over and over again according to your desired length. So friends, I hope you will like this pattern. This is very embossed pattern. This is very gorgeous pattern. It looks so nice and so amazing. See how beautiful looks of this pattern, and I hope you will use this pattern for your favorite knits. So friends, if you like the pattern, please don't forget to press the like button and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. I wish you all the best in knitting. Have a good day.